Everyone, this is question number 27 in chapter 2. So we have to find the equation of tangent and normal to the curve y equals to 8 minus 2x minus x squared at each of the following points. Now let's just sketch the curve first. So let's say this is the curve y equals to 8 minus 2x minus x squared, and we have to find the equation of the tangent. So this is the tangent and also the normal, the make 90 degrees to the tangent. So we need to find the equation for this and the equation for this line. Okay, so let's see what are the points that we have. We have A. Okay, we need to find the equation of the tangent or normal that passes through A, and another point is C. So we have two scenarios here. So the first scenario is the A. So let's just look at A first. And then I call this golden triangle. These three things, let's mark it down. And we need to use these three things to help us to find the equation of the tangent and the normal. So for the tangent, in order for us to find the equation, we must have the gradient and also the point. The point here is 1, 5. Same thing goes to the equation of the normal. We need to have the equation, the gradient of the normal and the point on the normal. All right, and with that, first thing, we got to find our gradient of tangent. The gradient of tangent can be found by differentiating the function y. So let's differentiate this. We have negative 2 minus 2x. And therefore, when x equals to 1, okay, because point A, x coordinates is 1, the gradient of tangent will be negative 2 minus 2, which is negative 4. And with that, gradient of normal will equals to the negative of its reciprocal. So the negative is positive. The reciprocal of 4 is 1 over 4. So we have found the gradient of tangent and gradient of normal at the same time. So gradient of normal is 1 over 4. Gradient of tangent is negative 4. Okay. This one is based on m1, m2 equals to negative 1. Okay. And therefore, now let's find the equation of tangent. Okay, so that will be y minus y1, which is 5, equals to m x minus x1, which is 1 here. So open up the bracket, we have negative 4x plus 4 and plus 5. That is y. So y equals to negative 4x plus 9. So we found the equation of tangent, and now equation of normal. Y minus y1 equals to the m is 1 over 4 x minus x1, which is 1 here. Okay, so we use this, and therefore let's bring the denominator. I want to get rid of the fraction mode, so I cross multiply the 4. So we have 4y minus 20 equals to x minus 1. So bring everything over. I write in the general form of equation. So x minus 4y plus 20 minus 9. So we have plus 19 equals to 0. So this is the equation of the normal. All right, so that is for the point A. Now let's change instead of A. Okay, for part B, this is A. So for part B, the point is negative 1, 9, okay, which means is here. So which means when x equals to negative 1, our gradient of tangent will be negative 2 minus 2 times negative 1, okay? So we will have negative 2 plus 2, which is 0. Now when the gradient is 0, we know that it is the horizontal line. If it is a horizontal line, the equation of the tangent will be y equals to the y coordinates. The y coordinates is 9. So y equals to 9. All right. And because when the gradient of tangent is 0, gradient of normal is undefined. Okay, therefore, equation of the normal, it will be the vertical line. So vertical line, the equation can be written as x equals to -1. So this is the answer for part B. All right, that's it for question number 27.